And finally, we had an incident where a kid said, I heard anti-Semitic remarks in my dormitory, and my parents want me to confront the kids. She was 13 years old. How could she confront these kids who were her friends and the people she lived with? So she said, so what do you think I should do? I said, how about if we, on Friday night, when everybody's here, let's talk about it. So we got together, and this young woman is now a plastic surgeon in Miami. She said, she told them, and we heard everything from they were just joking to somebody who said, even if they were joking, you have to say something. And finally somebody said, do they know you're Jewish? And she said, no. So somebody else said, how do we let them know that we're Jewish? I mean, we come here on Friday night, but that could be anybody. So we talked about, in our Jewish experience, what was our commonality. Everybody had been to a Seder, and so we decided to have a Seder. So we had a Seder for the whole school every year. And then the parents got very excited and gave me money so that I hired the Klezmer Conservatory Band. So we not only had a Seder, but afterwards we had a dance. And that went on for several years, and it was fabulous. And we had, obviously we had a Hanukkah, and first we had it in the chapel. That didn't feel right. And we realized to have it in the dining room. And then people learned to, after dinner, that we had dreidels, and everybody sat around at the tables playing with M&Ms, and so people knew we were Jewish at Groton. And you know, I often would look up at the Sargent portrait of the rector looking down at this, or at, you know, thinking of the Roosevelts or Harrimans or whoever, thinking, I wonder what they would think, especially Franklin Roosevelt, who graduated from that school in 1900. When I served on a panel about the Holocaust, at one point somebody said to me, you know, during the war, almost all of Franklin Roosevelt's cabinet were old Grotonians. I said, I know that. He said, well, I suppose it's not your fault. So that was, you know, that was where I was as a Jewish person.